Hello and welcome to English for Beginners class. Today's lesson is about seasons and months. There are 4 seasons in a year. The first one is winter. The second one, spring. Summer. Fall or autumn. Winter. There are 3 months in each season. Winter has 3 months. December. January. February. Spring season has 3 months. March, April, May. Summer season. June, July, August. Fall or autumn. September, October, November. September, October, and November. To see more videos, please subscribe the channel.